Hello everyone. Now I'm cooking our sweet dish or a last dish of the lunch. So this is meal prep. I made a mix of beans and grains and dry fruits and nuts. And this is maybe more than 30%, 30 different kinds of plant-based actually. So it's coconut, Chinese date, sesame, whatever. Then this is a peel of orange. I got this peel in the Algarve in Portugal, and I have dried it in the sun. And after I dry it, now in this kind of porridge, the taste is very umami and very flavorful. I just want to warm it up. And I add a little bit oat. A little bit oat. That's all. That's all. 不要倒一半，最后就是so。Oh, that's all. Now I add some homemade cherry marmalade. There are two different cherries, the sweet cherry and the sour cherry, so the combination is very delicious. And I put only a little bit sugar in it, so it's quite sweet, sour, and aromatic. Here, this is from our own garden, and here it's a plum. It's also from our own garden, and I have frozen it. Now it's like accompanying this wonderful dish.